Today is a big day. We have regrouped, repacked, and we are ready to get on the road now, and we're heading up toward Canada. The bread truck is going to make its first international destination. We're going to go up to Canada and meet up with some friends and stuff like that. And we're going to be getting on the road today. So, Canada, here we come. Look out for the bread truck and the bread trucker. We're coming. And Ellie. Ellie's also coming.
We're finally leaving.
Yeah, buddy.
Truck's all fixed. We're good to go.
Gonna take my horse to the hotel room. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Got the horses in the bag.
Can't nobody tell me nothing. How's the truck running?
It's running good. Everything seems tip-top. I do want to get that sensor put in eventually, but nice and smooth. Everything's going good.
It's the weekend. Sedona traffic.
You're gonna film me coming back with 2 plates of desserts, like that's what I'm getting. That's messed up, man. So pudding's a strikeout, but I got French silk pie, which is that's kind of pudding, right? And then they had bread pudding. So I got
Why don't you hold it up so we can see it? What is it all?
bread pudding, cannoli. I don't know what this is, and this is like some sort of strawberry roll, I don't know.
Thanks for my chocolate pie.
Yeah.
Looks delicious. This place is pretty cool.
I like it. It's not bad, you know. As far as Vegas buffets go.
How you feeling, Polly?
Oh, I'm feeling good. Not high at all. Yet. But we're in a legal state, Nevada. You look confused, like, why am I talking about this?
That didn't occur to me. I was wondering how you felt after the buffet.
Oh, the buffet.
That was our subject matter.
It was Yeah, it was good. I didn't go crazy.
You're not gonna like pop or
No, I'm not gonna poop myself or throw up or anything like that.
excellent. That's where we went to eat. Main Street Station. Breaking those so baby ducks don't die?
Well, yeah, baby ducks or, maybe sea life. I've heard that this actually doesn't really help that much, but...
I wonder how horses and pigs feel about that.
I'm sure this would save horse and pig lives as well. Maybe wild ones.
Should we check with them?
Yeah.
Let's check with them.
Yeah, have a look. See how the horses feel about it. Maybe the pigs.
Hey, how do you guys feel about it?
Hey.
I think they're doing okay.
Not very moved. They're not very active.
Yeah, but they're like these restraints though around their backs.
Did you say restraints?
Yeah, these restraints are really weighing them down. Must be rough. So rough. Sorry, guys. It's a hard life. What you been doing all night?
Oh, just experiencing Nevada and all the wonderful things that Nevada has to offer. A pond was the highlight, and the casino. I feel like I have sleep in my eyes. The sun's up. I
What
don't know
time
if
is
you
it?
noticed that. It's 7:20.
What time did you go to sleep?
I did not go to sleep
Why not?
because I had things to do.
You were busy.
I was very busy. I drove a lot,
All night.
almost all night, like all throughout the night.
Let's give a look at the back door, maybe.
Okay, this is gonna be bright, guys.
So bright. Whoa! That's how we feel too. So bright. The sun is rising. But look how pretty. Not bad for a truck stop. Not bad at all.
Oh, that sounds bright.
Another free campsite.
Can you even see me in this?
Oops. You're like a vampire.
I feel like a vampire right now. Watch this. Does your phone even adjust? Ooh, Lord.
No. Nobody's okay with that.
I kind of feel like I need to sleep for about 12 hours.
Yeah, you look like you need to sleep for about 12
I
hours.
could go to sleep for about 12 hours right now.
Yeah. Maybe I should drive.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
I have to reward you with something.
Except I feel like the whole time I drive, you're going to be awake. Because you're scared.
You underestimate me.
Okay, fair enough.
I think especially if the bed's out,
You're done.
I'd be out.
Yeah. Maybe we should just take a nap.
I think it's a good idea.
Nothing wrong with a nap at 9 a.m., 8 a.m. What time
Yeah,
is it?
7:30.
7:30. Nothing wrong with a nap at 7:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Should we eat breakfast first?
I don't know. I think I could just go straight to nap.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's controversial. You look great, Paul. You're doing great.
Thanks.
You're doing great.